I'm in my house right now. And it's my auntie's birthday. There's all of my cousins and my uncles and my aunts. This is T-Rex. Fine. Guys, this is so awesome right now. That's their car. That's my animator's parents' car. And everything is so cool. Guys, everything, of course. What? So cool, guys. There's everything. My dad is not here, but here's all my family members. Everything is my favorite.
Ay, daw eh. Compare daw mo. Hala, dali ara na sa noy.
There's the cake.